Hello there, and thanks for joining me again. And here we have a £10 forged anvil, military issue, probably dating back to the First World War, generally used for saddlery repairs. As you can see, it's in rather nice condition, beautiful fat top. It's got the fourth handling hole, which was quite the feature in Peter Wright anvils. This one, I don't think it's a Peter Wright. I think it's more than likely to be an Isaac Nash of Stourbridge, who actually took over the Peter Wright business in the early 1900s and continued to manufacture anvils using the Peter Wright plant and equipment. But this one is reluctantly for sale. So if anybody's interested in purchasing this beautiful little anvil, then drop me a line, and we can sort that out for you. Okay then, well thanks for watching and see you on the next one.